Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, yeah, this is your messages and energy check-ins. Reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow rin sa atin pong FB page. Okay, and kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, you can reach me sa akin pong FB page. Okay, for more info. Okay, so, and yeah, kung gusto nyo na mag-try, na magpa-reading sa aking friend, ito po yung kanyang FB page. So, message nyo lang siya dyan. Okay, ito yun ha. Tatype nyo po yan. Oo, para makita. Okay. So, yeah, yun ang kanyang FB page. So, follow nyo na rin. Oo, and yeah. Regarding dito sa ating Evil Eye All-in-One. Okay, All-in-One Evil Eye bracelet. So, meron siyang lock pagdating sa money, sa protection, sa health, sa love, and sa healing. Okay, so 5 yan. Tapos, lalagyan pa natin ng initial nyo. Okay, so available siya in black and red. Okay, so kung may tanong po, message lang po no, sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so let's start. Okay, message and energy check-ins. Prediction kung meron. Okay, so air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. Kumusta na ba dyan sa inyo? Okay. Air signs. Okay. Okay. So, ano bang meron for you? Air signs. So, first is the Hermit in reverse. Okay. And the Queen of Cups. Emotion. Sumasabog. Oo. I don't know. Air sign. There's a water sign here. A Virgo. Someone is interested. Someone pwedeng magbigay or mag-open up ng kanilang emosyon sa'yo. Air sign. Pwedeng Virgo, pwedeng water sign. Okay? The Queen of Swords. Oh. Pero itong something na to, pwedeng may mali dito. Yeah, there's someone else. Ang dami. Yeah. Pero I think this person is sabihin natin attracted sa'yo. Super. Kahit mali. May mali dito. Some of you, meron ditong parang nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo or vice versa. Meron silang sex fluidity, like same gender na attract sila. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, meron din ditong offer na paparating, air signs, like something, there's something to do with promotion. Okay? Pero nandito yung natatakot na kunin or i-grab. Okay? So, yeah, the Six of Wands in reverse. Yeah, and the Emperor. The Emperor. So, Six of Wands in reverse. So, pagdating, I think this is someone na parang a boss, no? I don't know, this person is sabihin nating ginagamit nila or gagamitin nila yung power nila para mapasunod ka. Okay? So, kapag ganyan, I don't know. You need to plan. You need to decide kung anong dapat, kung anong tama. Okay? Makakakita ka ng secret. Makakaalam ka ng isang secret. And ang nakikita ko rito, mayroon ditong mga pagsasabi ng dapat tayo sa atin lang ito. Parang ganyan. Some of you, this is pertaining to a boss, mga ganyan, like isang boss ang sangkot dito. Okay, pwedeng may malaman kayong hindi maganda, pero nandyan yung sabihin natin gagamitin niya yung power niya pagdating sa'yo, kasi may alam ka. This is I don't know kung anong this is specific. I don't know. Pwede kasing ang nakikita ko dito is tong taong ito is someone who is into sabihin nating relasyon or connection, tas may malalaman kayo. Biglang mahuhuli. Ito pa lang si boss, ganto ganyan. Oh no. Specific yun. Okay? Some of you may offer dito. Yung iba sa inyo, nagkakaroon ng attraction si boss. Okay? Pero gagamitin niya yung kanyang, alam mo na. Diba? Tapos, ipopromote ka. Like that. Yeah. I can't. Okay? So, yun lang akin nakikita for you, air sign. Wala masyado. Ito lang maganda may mag-open up ng emosyon. Okay? So, wag na tayo dito masyadong delicate. So, wait lang po ha. Okay, so next is fire signs. Okay, so fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Anong message for you? Shalala. May ganun. Okay. So, sorry naman, merong mga nagme-message. Okay, so fire signs. Ten of Pentacles. This is money. Okay, itong si Ten of Pentacles for me. This is sabihin nating energy ito ng committed relationship, long-term one, mga ganyan. And pwedeng pera to. Okay, so best of both worlds. Sinasabi nga. No? The Four of Wands in reverse. Okay. The Four of Wands in reverse. Some of you may chance na makabili na ng sariling bahay. Claim it. Claim it. Some of you may chance na makabili ng sariling bahay, sabihin natin makapagpatayo ng business, sabihin natin magkaroon ng long-term relation, name it. Name it. Nandyan yan sa paligid nyo, fire sign. Claim it. Okay, claim it. The Queen of Pentacles. Wow, this is all Pentacles. Fire signs. The Three of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. This is nice. This is planning. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung inuna nyo yung sarili nyo. Okay? At alam nyo kung paano i-manage properly yung iyong kaperahan. In time. Okay? In time, sabihin natin, makakapag-provide ka rin para sa iba. Claim it. Okay? Ang ganda nun. The King of Swords in reverse, the Moon. Okay? So, meron dito in the near future, may mga tao na i-confuse ka, nagkagamitin ka. Pero, be wise. Okay? Itong mga ito, hindi naman yan makakaapekto kung hindi nyo bibigyan ng chance na maapektuhan kayo. Okay? So, hang on, ating ayusin yung camera. Yan. Parang naayos. Naayos ba? Okay, so, some of you, ito mga specific na yung sasabihin ko. Meron ditong person na sobrang bait pero niloloko. Some of you, may pera 'to, okey, may pera. Yung iba sa inyo kung yung nanay niyo may someone else, niloloko yun. Puwedeng niloloko siya, puwedeng pineperahan lang na kung sino man yung ka-connect niya or kung sino man, basta may pera, okey? Puwedeng kayo at may kumo-connect sa inyo at feeling niyo gano'n, ganyan nga. Yeah, okey? So, nandiyan yung panggagamit, nandiyan yung pagma-manipulate, okey? So, nandiyan din yung sabihin nating pangba-blackmail na kung sino man ito. Okay, so some of you in the workplace, okay, meron ako nakikita ritong parang sabotaging energy. Oo, parang may mga, alam niyo yung, ah, may mga nakatago, no? May mga nakatago. Pwedeng pinag-uusapan ka, parang ganyan. Okay, so some of your friends, I guess, or colleagues, or co-workers, pwedeng pinag-uusapan ka or something like may mare-reveal or may kakalat na rumor about them. Okay? So, makakatanggap kayo ng chismis. Tuwang-tuwa sa chismis. O, diba? Aray ko. So, yun lamang ang aking nakikita for you, fire sign. So, just claim the positive ones, okay? So, next is water signs. Hi, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, how are you? Okay. Message, energy check-ins, and predictions. Okay. So, tingnan natin ano bang mayroon. Oh. Okay. Water signs. Mantakin yun, iba't ibang klaseng emosyon ang aking nasasagupa everyday. No, yung papa-HBhin ka. Oo, yung papakiligin ka, o 'di ba? Yung papatawanin ka everyday nararamdaman natin, oo, yung iba't ibang klaseng emosyon. Oo, ano kaya yung epekto sa'kin nun? I don't know. Okay. So, first is Six of Wands. Okay, water sign, this is victory. This is success. Okay? So, in general. Two of Swords. Why are you avoiding it? You're avoiding it. You're blocking. You're blocking it. May energy ng success sa inyo, but you're avoiding it. You're blocking the good blessing coming. Why? Some of you, dumidepende ito sa way mo kung paano ka mag-decide. Okay? Good decision making for some of you. Okay? So, the Devil in reverse, the Page of Swords. There's someone na gustong makipag-usap, makipag-ayos. Okay, water sign, pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng air sign. Or sabihin nating gusto ng something good, no? But yeah, someone is too indecisive to do such thing, no? Para kasing, yeah, kailangan ko yun, pero I don't know kung dapat ba, like that. Okay? So, yeah, the King of Swords in reverse, and yeah, and the Ace of Cups. I don't know, this is something like, pinapatungkol nito is a relationship or a connection. Yeah. There's an offer, okay, in the near future, pero nandyan yung pagde-decide. Okay? So, so this is sabihin nating makakatulong ang healing. Okay, makakatulong ang healing. Hindi lahat ng nakikita nyo water sign is totoo. Hindi lahat ng naririnig nyo is totoo. There's an energy of too good to be true, mga ganyan. Yung alam nyo parang napakalinis, napaka-plain, like that. Yeah, there's something odd there, no? There's something odd. Oo. Nanalo ka po ng ganto, ganyan, ganto, pero hindi ka naman nataya, o 'di ba? Mga ganun, mga ganong energy. O hindi ka naman sumasali any kind of game, no? So, yeah. An offer in the near future regarding emotion or regarding love offer na parang kailangan mong pag-isipan maigi. Yes. And I don't know why. So, siguro itong person na to is someone na sabihin nating hindi siya totally genuine pagdating sa'yo. That is why. Okay? So, there. Next is earth signs. Okay, so how are your earth signs? Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Anong meron? Anong meron? Anong meron? Earth signs. Okay. Para ako may iniisip. Wala naman ako iniisip. I don't know. Some of you, pwedeng mayroon kayong iniisip. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Days of Cups in reverse. Ano ito? Oh, the world in reverse. Kaya pala. There's unfinished business. Unfinished business. O sabihin natin, meron ditong offer na hindi na i-offer sa past. Merong someone siguro na nag-iisip sa inyo, earth sign. A water sign, a fixed sign. So, pwedeng Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, and Aquarius. Okay? So, yeah, there's someone else. There's someone thinking of you na hindi nakapag-offer ng emosyon or love offer sa past. And you have, or you had, no, unfinished business with this person. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. Ooh. This is talking about a relationship earth sign. Yeah, there's an offer. A younger boy or a younger girl. A younger man. A younger woman. Mga ganyan. Yeah. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, kung sino man ito, pwedeng Cancer, pwedeng, a lot of water sign here. Pwedeng, hindi sila like, ready pa, no? Kung sino man to na nag-iisip sa inyo, iniisip nila yung dati. Iniisip nila yung kayo noon. Kung hindi man siya naging sincere or hindi naman siya naging like ready before, ngayon niya para napapagtanto lahat ito. This is heavy. Yeah, the Tower. Pwedeng Scorpio. Yeah, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, this is sad. The Sun in reverse. They're sad. Pwedeng Leo. So, dito nga yung fixed signs. Yeah. So, hindi ko alam bakit kung ano nung dahilan. Okay? The Five of Swords. So, I don't know. Maybe they don't want the conflicts. No? Kung may conflict man, if ever, sa sitwasyon nyo, ayaw nila yon. Isang dahilan kung bakit hindi nila kaya or hindi nila naibigay yung offer of love sa past. Kung sino man ito. I'm talking about a person here. Yes. Hindi niya kaya eh. Hindi niya kaya. Kahit sa sarili niya, hindi niya kaya mag-decide eh. So, paano? So, hahayaan na lang niya to. Kasi hindi rin naman siya sure. Okay? Meron ding chance na itong taong to is hindi sure sa situation nyo. That's why. hinayaan na lang niya na ma-burn yung tower. Okay, the tower is the situation. Okay? Okay, so yeah, there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. So yeah, thank you. Bye!